The 2026 Dodge Ram 1500 Tungsten stands alone as the absolute pinnacle of American pickup truck engineering. For years, we wondered how Ram would top the limited trim, and with this new model, they haven't just raised the bar, they have completely reinvented it. This is not just a workhorse, this is a private jet on wheels that is ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about full-size trucks. Let's start right up front with the face of this beast. The first thing that hits you is that reimagined grille. It is bolder, leaning into a modern, sophisticated aesthetic that demands attention without screaming for it. You've got the new, sleeker LED headlamps flanking that massive RAM badge, giving it a wide, planted look that feels incredibly aggressive yet refined. It is a face that says it owns the road. Moving around to the side profile, you really get a sense of the sheer scale here. The body lines are crisp, flowing back from the fender with a muscular tension that makes the truck look like it's moving even when it's standing still. The tungsten trim ditches the cheap chrome for body color flares and premium accents, smoothing out the silhouette for a truly aerodynamic vibe that separates it from the lower trims. And finally, making our way around the back, the rear finishes the story perfectly. You're looking at a jeweled look for the taillights that creates a distinct signature at night. The power tailgate is seamless, and down low, those massive dual exhaust tips are integrated right into the bumper, hinting at the serious performance lurking underneath. But just wait until you see where you'll be sitting. Stepping inside, you are immediately entering a different tax bracket. This isn't a cabin, this is a sanctuary wrapped in premium Indigo and sea salt quilted Natura Plus leather. You settle into 24-way power front seats that don't just hold you, they massage you while you drive. The center stack is dominated by a massive 14.5-inch Uconnect touchscreen, the largest in its class, paired with a 10.25-inch screen just for the passenger. And look up, that's a suede headliner that screams quality. But the real showstopper here is the audio. We're talking about a Klipsch Reference Premiere system, pumping 1,228 watts through 23 speakers. It's like a concert hall on wheels. But a luxury interior means nothing if the ride doesn't match the look. Down at the corners, the stance is grounded by massive 22-inch polished aluminum wheels. These aren't your standard work truck rims. They're specific to the tungsten trim, featuring a complex spoke design that catches the light perfectly. They fill the wheel arches with a street-ready attitude that looks absolutely mean. It sits confident, heavy, and planted on the asphalt. If you're loving these deep dives into the best American iron hitting the streets, make sure to smash that subscribe button right now so you never miss a future update. Pop the hood and prepare for a shock to the system. The V8 is gone, but in its place sits the high-output 3.0-liter Hurricane Inline 6. This engineering masterpiece churns out a massive 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque. It is effortless power that rockets this luxury liner from 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds. This is not just an engine swap, it's a total paradigm shift for American power. So, here's the bottom line. You're probably wondering what the damage is for a rig this advanced. We expect the MSRP for the Tungsten to land right around $87,320. Now that's a serious chunk of change, but when you stack it up against the competition or even high-end German SUVs, the value proposition is actually insane. You get sports car speed, private jet luxury, and the utility to tow a boat on the weekend. The Ram Tungsten doesn't just raise the bar, it is the new gold standard. Thanks for watching.